Barry Rosenstein Reuters. Barry Rosenstein may be inching closer to bagging another fortune in the supermarket aisle. Pinnacle Foods, the maker of Hungry Man TV dinners and Vlasic pickles, has hired Evercore partners to explore strategic alternatives as it faces prodding from Rosenstein's activist hedge fund Jana Partners, sources told The Post. Rosenstein's Jana, which bagged a $300 million profit last year when it successfully pushed Whole Foods into selling itself to Amazon, wants Pinnacle to merge with Conagra Foods in a deal that would create the second biggest frozen foods firm in the U.S., sources said. The bank's hire comes as supermarkets and their suppliers face mounting price competition from Amazon and Walmart, and millennials shun frozen and packaged foods in favor of fresher, healthier eating options. Separately Friday, Campbell's Soup said its longtime CEO was abruptly retiring as the company warned on profits. Jana is a longtime shareholder in Conagra with a presence on the board of the company, which makes Hunt's Ketchup, Hebrew National Hot Dogs and Peter Pan Peanut Butter. Meanwhile, Jana also emerged in April as the biggest shareholder in Pinnacle, revealing this week it had raised its stake in the company to 9.5%. This seems like good news, one deal-hungry source said of Pinnacle's hire of Evercore. Nevertheless, Pinnacle, which also owns Birdseye and Duncan Hines, is studying all its options, according to a source close to the company. Hiring a bank does not necessarily signal a sale, and Evercore is known for advising on defense against activist shareholders and hostile takeovers. "I think it all comes down to price," one banker said. Conagra CEO Sean Connolly reportedly tried and failed to buy Pinnacle last summer at an undisclosed price. The company, with its $14.7 billion market cap, is about double the size of Pinnacle. A 3-year standstill agreement between Jana and Conagra ended this month, giving Jana the ability to pressure Conagra to raise its offer. The hedge fund recently missed a window to launch a proxy fight against Parsippany, NJ-based Pinnacle. But earlier this month, Pinnacle CEO Mark Clouse signaled that he and the fund were on the same page. "We've had historically and continue to expect to have very constructive dialogues with the Jana team," Clouse said on a May 3 earnings call. "We are open to hearing ideas and are happy to listen to all of our investors, but most certainly Jana as well." Combined, the two companies would have a 27% market share in the U.S., and the deal would enable them to lower fixed costs, according to an RBC analyst report. Instead of selling to Conagra, sources said Pinnacle could make a move to buy privately held Schwan's Co., which generates about $2 billion in sales, sources said. Schwan's, owner of Red Baron Pizza and Mrs. Smith's Pies, in recent weeks hired Piper Jaffray to begin a sale, sources said. Campbell's Soup's surprise announcement Friday also might indicate that the family trust that controls that business could be open to a merger, a banker said. Pinnacle did not return calls.